So since Article 23 drew Galaxy as a what's it again? Oh yeah, a dragon. I might as well draw her other dragon, OC Midnight. So yeah, I've got golly. Oh. Alright. I've got all about doing the eyes first. Huh. Those are too big for eyes. Still no. Don't make them small. Yeah, that'll do. Gonna pupils. Hold up. I think that's okay. I don't know. Gotta draw the nose. That's not good. And the little smiley face. Smile. Okay. That's a problem. I'm just gonna rub this part out. Okay. I should probably left some space for the dot in between her eyes, but who cares? I'm just gonna see everything is right in the world now. Alright, I think that was alright. Yeah, that's right there. Hopefully I am correct. Let's just get rid of that one. And that one. Yeah. There's also one right here. And over here. Also one right here. I don't know why I'm so dedicated to the spots. So yeah. That would just stay like that. Anyhow, okay. Right there. And I gotta do some eyelashes. Perfect. I'm trying to speed run this. But I still wanted to make, because I want to speed run this so I can make this a shorter video. Because I'm not sure if I make it a long video, that people will still watch. So yeah. Those don't look good. That'll have to do. That'll have to do. Okay. One question for a second. What do our wings look like? You know what? I'm going to design her wings because I'm just that good at designing wings. Flip. YouTube, no. Flip. Alright, just hold there. Hold there. Perfect. There. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need to redo the legs for this. Just flip. Oh, right. No, draw the legs. Finally. Alright. Just gonna do it like this. Then right there. Wait, hold on. Is it? No, it's like that. Okay. This is gonna be really... Girl, no. No. Also, thank you to Attic Fox 22 for saying this. Yay! I don't know how I'm gonna make the colour look the same. So I think I'm just gonna make this one a lighter black. This one a lighter black. And then do the pink. Oh, and also then I get to design the wings, because she didn't show me what the wings look like. I'm still waiting for that. Huh? And that one is still here. Is her nose coloured in? Yeah, it is. I think that's an actual black. Yeah. Then it's a dark pink, right? Like that. I need to know. It's like a dark pastel pink, like that. Is that a bit lighter? I'm trying to be very precise with my colours. I think it's like that. Yeah, that looks... Thank God. Anyhow, see? Yeah, this is looking good. It's like a pastel blue. So we'll start off with a darker blue like that, and just no. Don't ask me what that was, okay? Just don't. Alright, now I finally will do the wings. Flip, I forgot. Yeah, that don't look good. I'm gonna use this. Okay. Then okay, and I'm done. Yay! I think I've done it the fastest I can do.